Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about the optimal time for dry hop. The information in this video is from Scott Janis's book, The New IPA. I really recommend that book. It's a great book. It is research-based, everything, and he did a tremendous job of collecting all these research papers and putting them into the book. And he had some really interesting points on dry hop time. Linalool and myrcene, these terpenes max out after 24 hours, some of them already at 4 hours. So if you want a really tropical fruity bomb, you only have to dry hop 24 hours. A huge dry hop, 24 hours. If you extend your dry hop up to 7 days, it would actually reduce the hop flavors. So never go 7 days. Big tanks will, the flavors will extract slower than small tanks. And for us homebrewers, we have a faster dry hop time. Full extraction also occurs at low temperatures, so you can actually cold crash during dry hop if you want to. The only problem here is that the dry hops won't be in suspension, or the hops won't be in suspension, they will fall out. But it can be done. After 3 days you won't get that much more flavor out of it, actually, almost none. And that's why I recommend dry hop should never be more than three days. 5 days is not really a problem, but after 3 days you will also lose head retention. So that's pretty important. If you have problems with polyphenols or that gives you hop burn, you can, they will max out after 72 hours or 3 days. So you can do shorter dry hops, like 24 hours, and that will actually reduce the polyphenols that gives you hop burn. So yeah, that was my recommendation from reading this book. You should read it yourself. It's really, really great. 3-day dry hop, that's the optimal, or even shorter if you want more fruity flavors. Dry hop amount, that will be in another video, so yeah, you can find that somewhere around here. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel, that will make me be really happy, and then just have a happy brewing out there.